Sweet baked goods are central to the holiday season, but festivities are uncertain this year due to COVID-19. What should bakeries expect in 2020? Let's look at the numbers. Statista predicted last year that food and beverage sales would hit more than $128 billion during the upcoming holiday season. In typical years, that would translate to a spike in sales for pies, cakes, bread and rolls, and other holiday favorites. But this year is anything but typical, making it difficult to predict. In September 2020, in-store bakery sales declined, while commercial sweet goods have climbed. Consumers may be changing how they purchase, but their desire for indulgent baked goods remains strong. The holiday season is a time for people to feel good. Flavors like cinnamon and spice, pumpkin, and caramel apple are traditional ways to taste the holiday. And new flavors are trending this year, including Honeycrisp apple, churro, and coconut, which is one of the fastest growing options in holiday products for the U.S. This year is even more critical to invoke nostalgia, comfort, and holiday cheer in times of crisis. And bakeries have an opportunity to deliver what consumers are looking for with sweet baked goods. Thanks for watching Fresh Perspective Food News. Stay up to date on the latest news by signing up at thebakerstake.com.